you go before God, today you became one. Meaning, if you had a private life, well, now it's no longer private. The solutions, the problems, everything are going to be shared. If you have any enemies, hold a knife together, put your knife above your heads. If you have a raise the knife. Hold his hands. As he holds the knife, yes. From today, if you have any problem whatsoever, you have to meet and say, this is our problem. And we are going to attack all our problems and our enemies together. Are you still with us? Raise the knife above your heads. Meaning all the problems and solutions will come from you, but we will not find your angles, man. Because you want to give me the one in your box. 3. Go to one card and it was inviting two people. I said, previously I used to get alone and here I get alone. Everybody is invited alone. Now you get one card and it's 2 people. So unfortunately, I also cannot give you 2 chairs. Give me a chair.